What's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to show your Bluetooth icon on your taskbar on your Windows 11 PC. Now guys, I'm currently using Bluetooth here at the moment, but if you look to the lower right hand side, you'll have the tray here. You can click on this up arrow and it's going to show you all you have in your tray. And if you're using Bluetooth and you're not able to find it here, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to add it there. So how do you do that? All you have to do guys, if you're on a Windows 11, right click on the Windows icon here in your taskbar and you want to go to settings, right? And once you're inside the settings, simply click on Bluetooth devices on the left hand side and click on where it says devices here. So once you click on devices, scroll down and you will have an option in the list that says more Bluetooth settings. Click on that. Now you will see an option here under the settings that says show the Bluetooth icon in the notifications area. All you have to do is click on this checkbox here and then go ahead and click on apply. Once you go ahead and you click on apply and click on OK, guys, you can close out of this because it's now there. And if you click that arrow again on your taskbar on the lower right hand side, you will now have the Bluetooth icon shown up there. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.